Okay, we've painted our head. We got our head all detailed out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the eyes in. So you see we got our hole all ready there. These are what we're going to use. These are wooden dowels painted for eyes. So first thing you want to do is you want to get these set in here, because you want to center them before you pour your plaster in on it. So best way to center it is hold the head above your eye and move the eyes to where they're centered for you. Then after you put your plaster in, you're going to have to recheck the eyes to make sure they don't move on you. They do tend to move. So we're just using plaster of Paris. You just add water to it and make it pasty. Just add a little bit of water at a time. If you put too much in, then you got to put a little more plaster of Paris in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. But you may find other ways of doing this. This is just the way that I've discovered that I like to do it. It's just all in how you're making your figure and what you want to do. I don't do the moving eyes. I mean, I can, but it's not worth it to me. For over 40 years, I did ventriloquism, and none of my vent figures had moving eyes. The secret is you just want to keep the head moving. You know, when you're talking, don't just let the head sit still while you're talking, because when you're talking to somebody else, your head's always moving. So you just keep your figure's head moving while you're doing the talking, and you'll find you really don't need all the bells and whistles. Okay, we got this down pretty good. We're going to pour it in around the eye. Then what you do is you want to tap the head to make sure the plaster seeds all the way around the eye. You don't have any spaces or anything. So by tapping it, you get it to seed pretty good. Then you want to hold it above your head and check your eyes if you've got to adjust them, which normally I do. Because you can adjust them while it's wet. Once this sets up, then you're not going to be able to move them anymore. So you want to make sure you get all your adjustments before you set it down, because then we're going to set this down, let it set for about 2 hours, then we can go back and start putting our mouth and stuff back together, make sure that works okay. So we're in good shape there. We're going to just set this aside, let it dry, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.